We support any operations in the police department. The biggest, of course, is being patrol. If a patrol officer needs an airborne platform to help in the search for a suspect or a missing person, we provide that resource. We also assist any other agency in the county. We work with the fire department very closely. We are the primary medevac provider within Fairfax County. So if the fire department needs to fly a patient from a motor vehicle accident or house fire or some other emergency, we're the ones that provide that service.
Back in January of this year, we were called by Spotsylvania Sheriff's Office to come help assist them in the search of two small boys that were lost in the woods on a cold winter day.
There was a storm front moving in, and the children had been missing for a long period of time, and they had ground teams searching for them, and they wanted to utilize an airborne asset, so we were requested to go and assist them in that search.
We not only had to worry about the fuel that we were going to need to get down there and stay on scene to do an effective search, but we also were worried about the incoming weather. We arrived on scene, we were searching for about 45 minutes when we came upon a point where we had to decide how much longer we had left before we had to refuel.
Airport, then we're not close to anything right now.
And it was right about that time in which we located the heat source that ended up being the dog and the boys.
Fairfax 1, we have located the two children and the dog.
This was a pretty exciting case for me because I know, like any parent, when your child goes missing even for seconds, you know that nervous, worried feeling that you have.
This was definitely one of those cases in your career that you know that the equipment, the crew that you're working with, you truly made a difference in the outcome of the lives of these two children, and it's a great sense of pride and satisfaction for a job well done, and it's very nice to be recognized for it.